Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to share a personalized video through Instantly. Okay, so in this screen, I'm standing on my Instantly account, and I'm already on the step where you actually need to create the email. And I would like to explain something here. So some CRMs do give us the chance or the option to build an email through blocks. You can actually drag, for instance, a text block and put it right here on this section. Maybe grab an image block and put it here, and also a code block and put it here. In this case, on Instantly, we actually need to build the email from scratch because we actually need to paste some code, and we can only switch between a normal type of email, we don't have templates, or the code type of email, or view, actually the code view as we see here. Okay, so what I'll normally do here is go to my Sendspark account, click on the share button on the video that I want to share, of course, and go ahead and look for Instantly here below where it says share with personalization. If you don't see that, no worries. Make a simple click here on edit. Look for Instantly. There it goes. I have already saved this, but you can, or you will need to click here and save changes. Okay, so that will take you back. You can then go to Instantly, copy the code, of course, and paste it here. This is exactly what we do not need to do. Paste it here directly will be actually a problem. I know the video will come up right here right away, but when the recipient actually gets the email, this will actually look like an image, like a GIF. So they will simply make a click and nothing will happen. They won't be redirected to the landing page of your video, which is exactly what we do not want to happen. Okay, so what I'll do here is erase this, erase the video and everything, so we can make sure that we do follow the correct way. So, which is basically clicking here on code view. Okay, of course, everything is empty, but we need to paste that code there. Okay, so if we go back to the original view, we'll get this, and this is the right way. You can, of course, send the email like this, but that's probably not what you want. This will be just an empty email, and that wouldn't be correct, of course. So because we do not have templates to add here on this section, we'll need to create our own template. And unless you do want to do everything from scratch, but what I do recommend is to go to any popular AI and simply prompt the AI something like, "Please help me build an HTML template for an email," and you'll get a very simple code for that, and that will be great. This is what I've done, and this is what I would like to show you in this case. Okay, so let me erase everything, go back into code view, and of course, to avoid promoting this specific AI, I'll simply not show this. I have this on a different screen right here. So let me copy the code. But just to give you my example, what I did here was simply ask, create a simple and nice HTML code for me to build an email. So it was quite simple. You can of course add more details to the prompt and add maybe the colors that you would like to use, and you'll get a perfectly nice looking email. So let me paste it here. Oh, sorry. Let me copy again. There it goes. Now, once we switch back, you'll see this very simple email, right? So, of course, if you do not know anything about coding, don't worry. This is very simple. Let me go ahead and copy the instantly code. Done. So for instance, let's say that we want to have the video in between hello and the rest of the paragraph. So what I'll do is go to code view, of course, recognize hello, and this is the content of your email. Go back to code view. Oh, and look, I even selected that. So this is actually very helpful if you are not familiar with coding. You can select the text, go into code view, and there it goes. Okay, so you'll notice that every single piece of text is in between these tags, div and div. Okay, so be sure to just, you can see here, here's the previous one. So you can simply be sure to maybe stand right there, hit enter, maybe twice. It doesn't matter. You won't have twice the space. So simply paste what we copied from here, paste it, done. Go back to the other view, and here it goes. Okay. So if you do want more spacing, you can always add something like this. Let me stand in the correct way. Oh, let me actually do it this way. Hello. There we go. Okay. So you can actually write the following. Um, okay. Let me actually put that. Okay. And there it goes. We have another space, and you can do the same thing right here. But of course, do take your time, build an amazing template here because you'll always use it, or maybe use something similar. But yes, this will be the correct way to do things. So let me go and click here on preview email and type one of the emails that I used to test. Okay, perfect. Let me send that test. And that's why I do have this separate window here because I want to show you how it looks on this end. It shouldn't actually take that long, but we can actually wait, and there it goes. Okay, and the image should load right away. Perfect. And if I click here, this will take me to the landing page. Okay, great. So let me make this smaller. There it goes. So this is what I did before. This is what I used. I used the variable here, which is name, and the variable here, company. Let me show you that actually. Let me make a click here so that I can take you to the edit section of the video. And you can see, hey, first name with the fallback text there. And I also enter the message, I love what company name or either your company does. Okay, so there we go. I love what Sendspark does. That's what I use here, and schedule a meeting here. So that's all you need to know. And there is another variable that we use, which is the job title. It is not a default variable yet, so we will probably need to make another video to work that out with instantly. But so far, you can use these two merge tags or these two variables perfectly fine, and you won't have any issues. So hopefully everything has been very clear. Otherwise, please let me know. I'm Dan. Have a great day. Bye bye.